Comfortable and chic. Everyday wardrobe ideas, personal style tips for women. Explore personal style ideas for women to create a comfortable and chic everyday wardrobe with easy tips and luxe budget-friendly inspiration. Comfortable and chic. Everyday wardrobe ideas, personal style tips you'll actually love. Hey there! So, I wanted to chat with you about something I'm super passionate about. Creating a wardrobe that feels both comfortable and chic every single day. You know, the kind of style that makes you feel confident, but also totally relaxed, no matter what your day throws at you. If you've ever found yourself staring at your closet wondering, what on earth should I wear today? You're definitely not alone. That's where some simple personal style advice can come in handy, because building your perfect everyday wardrobe doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. Why comfort and chic go hand in hand. Think about it. When something feels good on your body, you carry yourself differently. Good posture, more confident smile, and yes, that subtle spring in your step. But comfort alone isn't enough. We want chic, too. A great look that's polished but effortless. That's the sweet spot that transforms a simple outfit into personal style inspiration. Start with a capsule wardrobe. If you're looking for personal style tips for women who want to keep things streamlined but stylish, the capsule wardrobe concept is a smart move. It's basically about curating a small collection of versatile pieces that you absolutely love. Here are some staples that combine comfort and chic. Classic white tee, the perfect base layer for layering or wearing on its own with jeans or a skirt. Well-fitting jeans. Look for a cut that flatters your shape and feels soft and stretchy. Tailored blazer instantly lifts any casual look and great for layering on cooler days. Comfortable sneakers or loafers, stylish yet easy to walk in all day. Neutral sweaters or cardigans, cozy without losing that sleek aesthetic. Trust me, focusing on quality over quantity helps you create a wardrobe that works together seamlessly. That way, tidying up in the morning is more about mixing and matching than wrestling with options. Personal style guide. Play with texture and color. Sometimes people get stuck thinking personal style help means you have to follow trends or buy brand new things all the time, and that's totally not necessary. Instead, mix up textures like soft cottons, knits, and even a little leather or suede for dimension. For a pop of color, start small with scarves, jewelry, or shoes that make your outfit feel fresh. Neutral tones are fabulous for a chic look, but don't shy away from colors that make you happy. Your wardrobe should tell your story and reflect your vibe, and confidence shines brightest through authenticity. Layering is your best friend. Layering is a secret weapon for both comfort and style. A lightweight turtleneck under a dress, a denim jacket tossed over a flowy blouse, or a statement coat can instantly upgrade an otherwise simple outfit. Plus, it helps you adjust to any indoor or outdoor temperature changes throughout the day without sacrificing your look. Key personal style ideas to remember. Fit is everything. Clothes that fit well make even the simplest pieces look elevated. Pocket your favorites. Keep things you reach for most in rotation. Thoughtful accessories. A great watch, minimalist earrings, or a leather bag can raise your outfit game effortlessly. Confidence is the best outfit. No matter what you wear, owning your look is what truly makes it stylish. Additional inspiration to help you master your look. If you want a more detailed personal style guide that combines everyday luxury with practical budgeting, you've got to check out Luxe Looks by Mia Winslow. This book offers amazing insight on mastering wealthy style without breaking the bank. Buy now and discover. Affordable luxury style that defines elegance without the hefty price tag. Whether you're starting fresh or just want to add some polish to your daily outfits, Luxe Looks serves up personal style tips for women who want to feel fabulous every day. Remember, building a wardrobe that's both comfortable and chic is about you and what makes you feel amazing. So have fun with it and keep experimenting until it feels natural. Your personal style, wallet-friendly and effortless, just might surprise you. Thanks for hanging out with me on this style chat. Catch you next time with more ideas you'll love.